at your thrift store, and all of these cars, all of these cars are in the parking lot. Look, it's like, let's go to the thrift store. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly, and I am back with another video. This week's video is a thrifting haul. So I will be thrifting some pieces, and with the thrift store that I go to on Wednesdays is 50%, so it's 50% off. So you know I go crazy in there on Wednesdays. So keep on watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So in today's video, I'll be showing you snippets of me thrifting. So on a regular thrift day for me is now Wednesdays, mainly because everything is discounted. Clothes and accessories are 50% off. Then furniture is either 50% or 25% off, depending on how long the furniture was in the store. When I'm thrifting, 90% of the time I go to the shop with no expectations, keeping in mind that I'm just browsing until I find a piece that catches my attention. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below if you would like me to continue making these kinds of videos. Keep on watching. Boy, I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. If I let you go,
watching you. Boy, I've been watching you. I've